Hey, today we're going to make Spanakopita, which is spinach and feta pie. I've made this with a homemade pastry. You're going to need 350 grams of spinach. Wash it and squeeze it out to release any moisture. Do it over the sink, not in the bowl. 1 small bunch of parsley and dill. 350 grams of feta. 250 grams of ricotta. 1 diced onion which I've fried. 1 egg, a glug of olive oil, pepper, and mix everything together with your hands for about 2 minutes. For the pastry, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of Greek yoghurt, 1 egg, pinch of salt, and whisk everything together. Then slowly add the flour. It's about 500 grams of plain flour. Start off with a whisk, but eventually you'll need to switch to your hands. You're looking for a dough that comes away from the bowl, but it's soft to touch still. When you're ready, take a ball of dough and flatten it with your hands. It's so soft, it's easy to do with the hands. Add some mixture to the dough and fold it over. With the first piece, you want to make a coil shape. If there's any breakages, just patch it up with the dough. Then with the rest of the shapes, you just want to roll them around the coil to make one big coil. Brush with egg wash, bake at 160 fan for 40 minutes, then for 20 minutes at 180. This is the end result. Soft, golden, beautiful pastry, lovely filling. I hope you like it. I really liked making it. I love eating it, and I hope you will too. I'll see you next time.